I've been making good grades, good friends, good progress. This year has been a personal best. But my love life was stalled like this concept in physics. An object at rest stays at rest. But then you said we were having a dance, and I suddenly saw my best chance was to throw myself in and begin building momentum. I have to keep going. Building momentum, I can't afford slowing. Tearing down walls that have kept me alone has filled me with more hope than I've ever known. And the reason I've grown, building momentum. We'll throw a new dance tomorrow. Let's use the center, and we'll cater all our favorite food. We'll clear the chairs to the wall. I bet Mel would DJ, and I can bring smart lights to set the mood. I'll invite everyone personally, or get my mother to do it for me. My mom's hard to refuse, we can't lose. Building momentum, we have to keep going. Building momentum, we can't afford slowing. Breaking through fears that have kept me alone has filled me with courage that I've never known. Like I discovered my backbone. Building momentum. You don't know what she does to me. Like she rewired my circuitry. My operating system's reeling, and I can't